Kung wala tayong pananampalataya, mahirap makasurvive sa buhay. May Diyos ka man o wala, may problemang darating. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, anong gusto mo? Dumaraan ka sa problemang walang Diyos o dumadaan ka sa problemang may Diyos ka? Mas madali nang dumaan sa problema na may Diyos kasi alam mo, kung iwanan ka man ng lahat ng mga kaibigan mo, talikuran ka ng lahat ng mga taong inaasahan mo at yung inaasahan mo tutulong sa iyo, hindi ka tutulungan. Alam mo, meron laging Diyos na may makakapitan. When you are in a rough situations of your life, don't ever think for a moment that God is not present in your pain and in your circumstance. So I want to encourage you today with these 3 beautiful words. Don't give up. Kaaway laging nananalo, don't give up. Just because your friends let you down. Do not give up. Just because you lose your job. Do not give up. Just because your career are falling apart. Do not give up. Kahit hindi ka pumasa sa examination. Do not give up kahit yung relationship hindi nag-work out. Work out. Keep on showing up. Don't walk away from your faith. You're built to last. Magpatuloy ka lang, kapatid. After all, yung destiny mo is greater than your history. Yung ginawa at prepare ng Panginoon is nothing compared to the sufferings that you are going through. Keep on keeping on. Let nothing move you. No disease will move you. No discouragement will move you. No frustrations will move you. I will never allow these things or someone to move me to the purpose that God has for my life.